Northwestern Lee County in north central Illinois.
What?
South central Ogle County in north central Illinois. Include Freeport.
Don't know.
PM.
Did they just issue something? Oh, they did. Oh my gosh, Rockford sucks right now. Just air it! Nobody's listening to it normally. Seriously.
Small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Just air it already. Holy crap.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lee County in north central Illinois, south central Ogle County in north central Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Lord! Is that one?
northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Hold on.
Hazard 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated.
Hold on a second.
Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
I see it now.
Locations impacted include Dixon, Franklin Grove, Lost Nation, Grand Detour, and Nakusa. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Illinois.
Wait a minute. Ah! I knew it! That's a big one for Wisconsin! It's also considerable. I think our low-level jet might be ramping up.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m.
The autism is 10 out of 10 right now.
6:43 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Glarus to Albany to near Lake Somerset, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
Jeez.
Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts and maple-sized hail.
Sorry, I don't see the 70 mile per hour winds.
Radar indicated.
Maybe that's just me, I don't know.
Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Janesville, Pittsburgh, Stoughton, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Milton, Exeter, Evansville, Broadhead, Cottage Grove, Belleville, New Glarus, Cambridge, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, and Albany. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin and until 8 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. General fire alarm, the fellowship call, we got no answer. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.